In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a photo into an anime character using Canva. If you've ever wondered how to animate your photographs with a touch of anime flair, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and explore how easily this can be achieved with Canva's tools. First things first, you'll need to head over to Canva and load the image you wish to edit. Open up Canva in your browser, then locate the image file that you want to transform into an anime character. Whether it's from your computer or from a Canva design project, ensure that the image is uploaded and opened in your project workspace. Once your image is ready to go, navigate to the left-hand side panel and click on the Apps option. This part of Canva allows you to integrate various functionalities that aren't always visible by default, but can dramatically enhance your projects. In the Apps section, look for a feature called Animeify by typing it into the search bar. As you type Animeify, suggestions will appear, and once you spot it, click on it to begin unlocking its effects on your image. With Animeify selected, you'll notice an icon pops up. Click on that icon to proceed through the intuitive interface of the app. You'll find an option to open, so go ahead and click that to bring up the interface where you can begin customizing your anime transformation. Next, input keywords in the designated box to influence the style and look of your anime creation. These keywords help refine your image's translation into the anime style, tweaking aspects that align with your preference. Think about the aesthetic you're aiming for and experiment with different keywords to see the variations they can produce. Once you're satisfied with your keyword selection, move on to clicking the Animeify image that appears. This action prompts the app to process your photo and generate an anime version. Browse through the anime-styled images that it provides. Select the anime representation that appeals most to you by clicking on it. This tells Canva that you want to use this particular version in your project. Now choose whether you wish to replace your original image with this new anime style by clicking Replace Image, or if you desire to keep the original and add the anime character as a new element within your design. Just click Add to Design, and with that final step, you're done. You've successfully converted your photograph into an anime-styled character using Canva. Feel free to explore and share your newly transformed images, adding some unique creativity to your design projects or social media posts. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoy experimenting with anime styles on Canva. Thanks for watching and happy designing.